this is Melissa Rogozinski with RPC Strategies, and in this LinkedIn tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make it rain as a thought leader by creating and posting your own content. So you want to make sure that you're logged into LinkedIn. Of course, I have my profile pulled up here, and you want to go here to the top menu bar and select on Home, okay? And you're going to see here at the very top when you click on Home, you're going to see an opportunity here to start a post. But if you'll drop down and see photo, video, job, and write article, click write article, and you want to click your own profile. And this is going to give you a template to write a blog article and post it on LinkedIn and share it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go here and I want to write the copy. So I actually already have this planned out and I have a series I've been doing. So I already copied and pasted part of the title. This is part of a series, and this article is actually number 7 in the article. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go out, and I actually have a Word document. I have the article already written. I'm going to copy and paste that. So I've copied it from my Word document in another window. I'm going to write that there, and the article is there. So I'm going to take this title, I'm going to copy that, take it out, kind of adjust some editing, and I want to go here to headline. I want to type in the headline there. Let's see, I might see if I can drop that down. Okay. The first thing you want to do is go through and just check the formatting and make sure the spacing is okay. If there's any links, make sure that the links were copied over. If not, you'll need to fix those. Right there, there's too much space between these places. So I'm just going to do a little editing to make sure the spacing is correct. Let's go there. Okay. Okay, so the spacing looks pretty good. This is exactly what I wrote. And then I'm also going to go up here to where it says no cover image. I'm going to go ahead and be sure you pay attention to the size of the images that LinkedIn will allow you. And I'm going to go out. I already have this planned out. So this is the size of the blog image that I want. We already have this planned out. So I'm going to select that image. Okay, that looks good too. I am actually going to add a caption. Graphics, Mark comes at the design. Okay, Mark is my graphic designer. That's beautiful work. Okay, and the image looks good. I've got the headline here. I have a good image. And the content is all there. Just make sure that formatting is good and nice and pretty and correct. Looks good to me. So now I'm going to go ahead and publish that. All right. And so as soon as I publish it, it's also going to give me an opportunity to post this as one of my own articles. So I'm going to go ahead and post this to my LinkedIn. Check out, let's see, our 7th installment of the hashtag Lift Your Sales series. And you might want to give a couple hashtags that are related to your industry. Like for me, it's legal marketing. If you'll remember, some of these were in my headlines in my personal profile. So we'll do sales enablement and publish. And once it's published, you get a message from LinkedIn that says, congrats on publishing your latest article. So I'm going to get out of that. I'm going to go back to home. And you can see here's my profile. I'm going to go to views of my article. And there it is. I have now posted this article, how to use an SAP. I'm going to show you one other trick with this. So you're going to go here to the little ellipsis sign and go here where it says feature on top of profile. Click that. Now go to your profile. View profile. All right. And the reason you want to feature these articles on your profile is because you want when people look at your profile to see what you have published. And you can see here, I have 3 articles published. This is the 7th one. You can see the entire series for Lift Your Sales. Okay. And I've actually written several articles. I don't feature everything. I only feature those that I think are important to my business and important to my audience. Okay. So I hope that this video was helpful on teaching you how to post content to LinkedIn to become a thought leader and a rainmaker. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.